Hello, good afternoon, my viewers. Car Plumbing Company Limited. I'm here to show you some connection, some things of how this one they have laid the PVC pipe. This PVC pipe. So now there was a problem inside there. They contacted me. So here's it. Then we have our air valve, our stopcock, our no return valve, and then so the remains this space is for Ghana water. So Ghana water will come and cut this pipe and put meter on it. Yeah, they'll put meter on that place, so we are going to cover it. So this is how we used to cover it. So we change it. What happened before we change it? So I was there, they contacted me that yeah. So the problem was that they glue the pipe. This one they glue the, there's a one side that they didn't glue inside the building somewhere. Then they called me, then I went there, I came and then I saw it. Then I advised my madam that we need to change it into the green pipe, should be safe. Then he allowed me, then this what we have done so far. So I'm going to show you, then you see where this. We are at the motorway, the motorway. Yes, motorway road. We are at Trasaco. Yes, motorway road. Yeah. So here's it. So we are covering it. So this how it is. This is the main line. This is our main line that's going into the polytank. At the same time, it's the line that's supplying the house. Yes, this is a PPR pipe, and then we have our hose tap over here. And then there's another connection to the visitor's toilet in there. So we leave the PVC, this PVC, we leave the PVC underground. We are not going to follow it, or we are not going to take it out. We just cut this one, then we take it out. Then the remaining one will be under, under. So we are changing the PVC into the PPR. So this is how we do it. I'm going to show you how best it's supposed to be done, so that when we finish, you know that we finish one and for all. We don't do it and come back and continue, with the problem always. This 32 mm PPR pipe that has connected to the whole, I think it's four bedrooms. So this is a PVC. And the other day, this is where the problem was. So, I mean, the plumber, he put the pipe into the T-junction without gluing it. I think he was trying to measure or check something, then he forgot it. Then as they connected the water, and then there was a leakage. And I decided that, madam, we need to change the whole thing. So we are now coming with the PPR running. So we change all this one into the PPR. So this is how we used to type it. So this one, the way the plumber did the connection here, he did this line, one in and one out into the poly tank, one into the poly tank, one out with the poly tank. So the one that will go to the poly tank is the same one that will come and join the main line. So in that case, we have to put no return valve on it. It's the one that I showed previously from the gate side. So no return valve must be there, so that when they close canal water, the poly tank water will not return back into the area. So this is how it is. And then the other one, for I think there's one washroom here, and there's another washroom here. So the old PVC pipe, we leave it inside this. So this one, you can decide to cut it and raise it out from the building. So far, sorry. So in this case, when you are using a pavement for your house, this type of pavement, when there's any underground problem, we have to break it. There's another pavement that we use corridors to fix. That one we used to remove it and solve our problem and fix it back. But this particular one, unless you broke it, and they used to fix it with the mortar. So when there's a problem, you have to break it and take it out before you solve the problem. And then they must come and fix it back. So as they are doing this one before the problem happened, I just advised my madam that no, madam, look, let us just change the pipe and be sure. If you really like this type of pavement, let us change the whole pipe into the PPR pipe. Then you know that you are you are safe. You are safe. Then you made the pavement people stop work, and then me too, I'm doing my changes now. Like this I'm finishing, so the pavement people will come and continue the pavement work. So this particular pavement, let's learn about it. If there's a problem underground, either electrical or plumbing, you have to break it and then buy a new one and fix. But there's another square one, small one. That one they use corridors to fix them. That one we can remove it and solve our problem and fix it back. But this particular one, unless we break it. Okay, thank you, and stay follow me, and you'll be watching a different things always. I don't know whether I have to take you go inside the house and show you things over there, not to disgrace any plumber or vet. Sometimes you have to see what people were doing, as a construction worker or an artisans, you know. So this is a house, I think 4 bedroom, 3 bedroom at the top, 1 bed for ground floor. Yes. So this is inside the building. Yeah. I think, is it open or no? Okay, it's not open. The kitchen is there. This our first. This is some of the inferior materials that they were using. So in this case, my boss do the connection in such a way that the toilet will be facing here. But the toilet will be here. I'm not the one who did the work, please. And then the toilet will be there and facing here. And the washing basin will be facing here. And like I will advise them to open this door, come out at least. Though you'll be sitting on the way and shitting beds. There's nothing we can do. This one there will be a problem for me when I'm facing the shower because the K28 are not straight. They are not straight at all. They are not straight. So the way it is, if when I'm facing the shower, it will be a problem. So we are trying to test them. We are connecting the water, and check the one in the wall. Then one thing that most of plumbers were doing is that you see here, they use green pipe for hot water, they use PVC pipe for the cold water, which is wrong. It's very, very wrong. The same hot water can return into the cold line. So this combination, I think, guys, if some of you are watching me from far place, please, when you are going for a copper, do copper in hot and cold. PVC, PVC does not make hot water. Then, don't this combination doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. This thing, even this is a PVC quality materials. PVC, we have PVC materials, but this type of PVC is very quality. It's very expensive too. So according to your estimate, this estimate and this one, they will be the same. If I'm not careful, I will say this one will cost past the PVC, the PPR. So PPR for hot water and then PVC for cold water. I don't really, but I don't want to condemn it. Either one, it will be a cost. You have to block all these tests and change it. So we are just trying to test. When we test and then there's no leakage, that's fine. And we take it from there. So when the plumber is working for you, let him send you the video. When you see this kind of combination, green pipe somewhere and then the PVC pipe somewhere, reject that work. And you use the green pipe for it, cold and hot. Say thank you. Let's quickly go to the top and then I think we have our kitchen here, but I think it's closed. Let's go. we have one washroom here. So this washroom, here's our water closet. It's facing the entrance, and then the washing hand basin there. I don't know how we are going to fix it. The washing hand basin is under here. It's the one. So why? And then look at where our shower is. So in this case, the shower, when you are taking the shower will be just going direct into the toilet. The shower will just be going direct into the toilet. So normally what they have to do is that this shower must come here, not under the window, but somewhere here. The shower pole must be somewhere there, and then there's a space here that they can open the bath a bit to the toilet area, and then they do it square. Or there's another way that it's coming, and then you do it, round bit from there round to the wall here. It does not need to come all the way to this place. So you can bring it back a little bit and then come forward to the door, this entrance level, and then you curve it into the wall there. It's better than putting it here, and then when you shower, the shower will come direct onto the toilet. Even if you have glass for here, when you are standing there, you are showering from there, I don't think you will feel it. You will not feel it at all. So please, let's go to the last or next two. Yeah, the same thing. We have our water closet there, and then the shower. This what he has done for here. The shower must be here. Even this one, it can come a little bit to the right side. Now you can still open the bath a little bit, but this one is not bad. I will stop this one. Then this door too. They open this door, come here, but another one they open it to the basin side. So that's the washing hand basin. The same combination, PPR for one side and PVC for one side, which is totally wrong. I think this is a master bathroom. Fill with the glass. So we have our washing hand basin here. This shower. This is a shower. One PVC, one PPR. So in this case, we have our water closet here. This water closet, according to the measurements, okay, I think here is for jacuzzi. This connection, I think this connection is for jacuzzi. Yeah, but in this case, I don't know whether the jacuzzi, this distance, I don't think it will pick. Yeah, so jacuzzi connection, then water process, standing shower, and then washing hand basin. I think we have water heater. Okay, yes, a water heater. So yes, motorway road. You can see.